going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Easy HVAC. So we're back again today. Had a customer call about a unit that's not running. So I'm up here on the roof with the unit, and currently there is no activity. The fan is not running, no heating and no cooling or anything like that. The unit does appear to be on, but if we go over here to the electrical section, I don't see the red LED lit up on the board. So yeah, we don't have any activity. So first thing I'm gonna do is check for 24 volts here at the terminal strip. I will be checking between R and C, and let's see if we have 24 volts, and we'll go from there. All right, so I've got the meter measuring between R and C, and as you can see, I do not have 24 volts. So the next step to take is to check to see if we have incoming line voltage. So I'm going to check here at the transformer. I'm going to check the primary side and see if we have our incoming voltage. I believe the voltage here is 460, 480. So that'll be the next thing to check. I also want to look at this fuse. The transformer doesn't appear to be tripped. It's not tripped. Let's look at the fuse here. The fuse looks a little weird. It doesn't even look like it's plugged in on the other side or on the bottom. So we'll take that out, just do a quick check of the fuse. But first I'm going to check the primary side of the transformer and just make sure that we have our incoming line voltage. Alright guys, so I am checking the primary side of the transformer, and as you can see, I do have voltage 490. Alright, so we are supplying the transformer with the correct voltage, but we do not have 24 volts. So I'm going to take out this fuse and check the fuse. Alright, so I'm currently checking the fuse with continuity, and as you can see, that fuse is good. And I can just take it here, and so the fuse, I mean, it looks intact, it's good. So we're going to plug that back in. Alright guys, so I got the fuse back in. There's the fuse, and the unit is currently running. Right now we have the fan that's running. So far everything checks out. I'm not sure if when I first came up here initially, the fuse was a little, I mean, it wasn't like plugged in correctly, so I'm not sure if that was maybe the vibration caused it to become loose enough to stop, delivering 24 volts. So I took the fuse out, just plugged it back in the correct way, so it's in there nice and snug. It's tight. It's plugged in correctly, and now my unit is running. Right now, I've got the unit is running in cooling, so my compressor, my condensing fan motor are currently running. But what I'm going to do now is just make sure that all of my connections are nice and tight, nothing is loose. Just trying to see if there's anything else that's standing out. So far, nothing. So yeah, so far so good. We have we've restored 24 volts. The unit is currently running. Just checking this condenser. The condenser is a little dirty, so I'll probably give that a good cleaning. But the complaint was that the unit wasn't running at all, so, and that was the reason. So yeah, I guess that'll about do it. I'm just gonna continue to check the unit. You know, I'll check the capacitor. I'll take some amp draws. I'll also check the fan over there. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on all future videos. And we'll see you on the next one. You guys have a nice day.